boy Ron P still got it, y'all. Golly.
That's OCB.
Damn, I didn't think he was gonna do it like that. Why y'all didn't tell me, man? Why y'all didn't tell me he was gonna, damn, that truck been doing good all night. I thought he was finna, for that truck. Damn, truck. You been doing all, I thought he was gonna do something, but he ain't do nothing, y'all. Hey, man, it cost me $20. Look out, y'all. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. Hey. Yeah, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Can I get a subscribe from y'all? Oh, we got Stutter Box came from TikTok. Hey, look out, Stutter Box. Appreciate you for coming on over here, man. Get over here. We got Heavy D. Okay, what y'all think this bike finna do? Ooh-wee. Let's see. Here we go. Y'all think full pass or no full pass? Oh, no full pass. No full pass, y'all. We got Hayden French, just came over here from TikTok, y'all. Gonna greet him. Appreciate you coming on over here, Hayden French. I got 3,000 people over there on TikTok. Anybody interested in a YouTube channel that be going live like this all the time? Yeah, y'all check out my YouTube channel, man. We be HD, you know what I'm saying? HD. I got a race car. I'll be racing this in the transmission shop. Got a supercharger. Yeah. Come on over here. I got a supercharger, yeah. Get over. I need some new subscribers. Subscribe thing. Come subscribe thing. Matter of fact, I'm finna show y'all my supercharger. Y'all stay right there. Oh, hold on. We got another car finna make a pass. Finna show y'all my supercharger. Let me see. Oh, we got somebody from Tahiti. Hey, from Tahiti. Look out from Tahiti. Yeah, they got Luda playing. Let me go show y'all my supercharger while he gets situated. I'm gonna crank it up, let y'all hear that. We got David Brock from TikTok. Look out. Drews Goza. Drews Goza just came from TikTok. Appreciate you. We got Kim Bella. Oh, damn. Yeah, we gonna check my car. We're gonna check my car after him, y'all. We got all night for me. Let's see what Baby Yaka gonna do. Y'all think he's gonna make a full pass? Let's see something. Hold on. David Brock, Kim Bella. Hey, she need a shirt and a hat. We're gonna be looking out for you. Get on my merch, lookoutracing.com. See if that's available. Ryan Hall came from TikTok and subscribe. Appreciate that. Ryan Pett just came from TikTok, guys. On over to my YouTube channel. We appreciate you. Antion Harper said, oh yeah, this quality is way better than TikTok. He liking it over here, guys. We got Dalen Harris. Dalen Harris came over from TikTok. Appreciate it. Nikki Brink. We got Nikki Brink, guys. Nikki Brink. Tyra Lynn. Hey, we got Tyra Lynn. Adnan Stellan just came from TikTok. He in South Africa, guys. He wanted to let y'all know that Lookout Racing is being broadcasted in South Africa in HD. We got Cole Waltz and Bobby Bryan, some of the best moderators, and Jet Black. Hey. Woo! Full pass for the nice Mustang. Let me see. Bruce Goza said he just subscribed, guys. Rico just came from TikTok, all along with Stutterbox. Let's see. Cookie the Prince got that Buchanas, guys. Nikki Brink just came from over. Okay. What he gonna do? What he gonna do? Come out of first gear. Get out of first. He's still in first. Come on, second. Where you at? There you go. There goes second. We got Panama West from TikTok. Just came over and gave Lookout Racing a subscribe.
That was the final vehicle down the track. Thank you for coming out to Extreme Raceway Park.
Thank you guys for tuning
Sunday
in.
is Father's Day, and
To
we will
Lookout
be
Racing.
opening at 5 o'clock. Probably won't be running until about 6:30.
Probably won't be running. It's about 6:30. Oh yeah, I'm finna go show y'all this supercharged now. I ain't gonna show y'all. I said, okay, we got somebody from Indonesia just checked in on the Lookout Racing channel, guys, along with Mike Lawrence. TikTok brought him to the YouTube. Von Belmont, one of the regulars. We got Eric Azador, just came from TikTok, guys. We even got Xavius Williams, Zay from TikTok, Alabama. That's right, guys, all the way from Alabama. We got Jay Fly in Mississippi. Best TikTok account on here. Where's my car? Oh, I see it right there. We got Zayzoo from TikTok. Seth King coming in hot from TikTok. Look out, Mike Lawrence. Here goes the supercharged Chevrolet Caprice, guys. 2015. Let me show it to you. Boom, 2015. We got Hayden Glass all the way down there in Fitzgerald, Georgia. Came to check out this 2015